Warm, comforting and absolutely nutrient rich. This recipe is definitely soulful. So let's quickly make Palak Dal Shorba, and I'm going to show you with a twist. I'm going to be using two kinds of dal. So I have half a cup of yellow moong dal here that I soaked for half an hour and drained all the water. I have 2 tablespoons of masoor dal over here that again I have washed and soaked for half an hour and drained all the water. And now let's prepare the stock. In a pressure cooker, add both the dals, 1 tomato peeled and chopped. Remove the skin because I don't want the skin to be floating in the soup. 1 carrot chopped, 1 piece ginger and 1 clove of garlic. Add in 2 cups of water. Cover it, turn on the flame and cook this on high heat for 1 whistle and on low heat for 2 whistles. The pressure cooker has cooled down. Let's open it. The dal and the veggies are nicely cooked. Let's grind it with a hand blender. Add in water to bring it to a soup consistency. Give it a mix. I'm going to transfer this pressure cooker on another flame and bring this to a boil. While the stock is boiling, I'm going to quickly saute some spinach, garlic and some spices. Heat some ghee in a pan. Once the ghee is nice and hot, add in a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Cook it on low heat. Next, add in half a teaspoon of red chilli flakes, 1 cup of chopped spinach, cook the spinach for 2 minutes. Add the spinach into the soup mixture. Make sure you take every bit of the tadka. Add salt to taste. Give it a final mix and turn off the flame. Palak Dal Shorba is ready. I'm sure you're going to love the garlic chili flakes twist that I've added to this soup. Do try it at home. Comment below. Let me know how it turned out. Subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.